Hey there, science enthusiasts. Ready to have your mind blown by the future of science experiments? Stick around, because what I'm about to share will make you wish it was already 2030. First up, we have the quantum internet. Imagine a world where data travels faster than the speed of light. Scientists are working on creating a network powered by quantum entanglement, making our current internet look like dial-up in comparison. With this, instant communication across galaxies might just be possible. Next, let's talk about fusion energy. By 2030, we could harness the power of the stars right here on Earth. Fusion reactors, like the ITER in France, are getting closer to producing clean and virtually limitless energy. Picture a world with no more fossil fuels and zero carbon emissions. That's a future worth getting excited about. Third on our list is bioengineered organs. Scientists are developing ways to grow organs in labs using stem cells. By 2030, organ transplants could become a thing of the past. Imagine needing a new heart or kidney, and having one grown just for you. The implications for healthcare are enormous, saving countless lives and improving the quality of life for millions. Now, let's dive into artificial intelligence and consciousness. Researchers are working on AI that isn't just smart, but self-aware. By 2030, we might have AIs that can think, feel, and even dream. This could revolutionize everything from personalized education to mental health therapies, creating a more empathetic and connected world. Last but not least, we have space mining. Picture this: robots on asteroids, extracting precious metals and minerals. By 2030, space mining could become a reality, providing resources we desperately need here on Earth. This could lead to a new era of space exploration and economic growth, giving humanity a chance to expand its horizons like never before. So there you have it, 5 science experiments that will blow your mind by 2030. From quantum internet to space mining, the future is looking incredibly bright. Stay curious, stay hopeful, and keep dreaming big. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. See you in the future.